let's start about later Vedic period. Later Vedic period is called painted grey ware phase. Reason evidences reveal that the Aryans expanded from Punjab over the whole of western Punjab, over the whole of western UP, covered by the Ganga, Yamuna, Doab. In the beginning, they cleared the land by burning, later with the use of iron called Krishna Ayas, tools which become common by 1000 to 800 BC. Political organization. Teeny tribal settlements were placed by strong kingdoms, Kuru and Panchal. Powers of the king, who was called Samrat, increased. Importance of assemblies declined. Women were no longer permitted to attend assemblies. The term Rashtra, indicated territory first, appeared in this period. Important Vedic rituals. Aswamedha. A king performed this sacrifice, which means control over the area in which the royal horse ran uninterrupted. The ceremony lasted for 3 days, at the end of which the horse sacrifice was performed. Vajpaya. A chariot race was performed in which the king must win the race. It was fixed. It was meant to re-establish the king's supremacy over his people. Rajasuya. A sacrifice ceremony which conferred supreme power on the king. A regular army was maintained for the protection of kingdom. References of priest, Purohita, commander-in-chief, Senapati, charioteer, Sutta, treasurer, Sangrahita, tax collector, Bhagadubha, chief queen, Mahisi, and the game companion, Aksavapa are there. Social life. The fourfold division of society became clear, initially based on occupation, which later became hereditary. Brahmin priests, Kshatriyas warriors, Vaisyas agriculturists, cattle rearers traders, and Sudras servers of the upper three. Fourfold division of society became clear, initially based on occupation, which later became hereditary. Brahmins, that is priests, Kshatriyas, that is warriors, Vaisyas, that is agriculturists, cattle rearers, traders, etc., and Sudras, the servers of upper three. Women enjoyed freedom and respect, but their status deteriorated compared to the earlier time. The institution of Gotra appeared in this age first time. Gotra signifying descent from the common male ancestors, first mentioned in Rig Veda. Life was supposed to be divided into 4 age-based ashrams. Life stages was Brahmacharya, student, Grihastha, householder, Vanaprastha, retired, and Sannyasa, renunciation. In this time also, chariot racing was the main sport and gambling was the main pastime. Pottery. The later Vedic period used 4 types of pottery: black and red ware, black slipped ware, painted grey ware, and red ware. Red ware was most popular with them and has been found almost all over western UP. However, the most distinctive pottery of the period is known as painted grey ware, which comprised bowls and dishes used either for rituals or for eating by the upper classes. Religion. Rituals and formulae became prominent in the cult of sacrifice. Indra and Agni lost their importance. Prajapati, the creator, became supreme. Vishnu came to be conceived as the preserver and protector of the people. Some of the social orders came to have their own deities. Example, Pusan, responsible for well-being of the cattle, became the god of the Sudras. The Vedic literature. The word Veda comes from the root Vidhi, signifying knowledge. Vedas are also known as Shruti, to hear, as they were passed from generation to generation through verbal transmission. They are four. There are 4 in all: Rig Vedas, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda. The first 3 Vedas are collectively known as Trayi or trio. Each Veda is further divided into Samhitas. Rig Veda, oldest religion text in the world, must have been composed around 1700 BC. A collection of hymns were recited at the time of sacrificial rites and other rituals with utmost devotion. Contains 1028 hymns, 1017 plus 11 Balakhiles, and is divided into 10 mandalas. 2 to 8 are the earliest mandalas, each of which is ascribed to a particular family of seeds or rishis. Gritsamada, Vishwamitra, Vamadeva, Atri, Bharadwaja, and Vasishtha. 8 mandala is ascribed to the Kanvas and Angiras. 9 is the compilation of Soma hymns. 1 and 10 are considered the later addition. The X Mandala contains the famous Purusha Sukta, which explains that the four Varnas, Brahmanas, Kshatriya, Vaishyas, and Shudras, were born from the mouth, arms, thighs, and feet of the creator Brahma. Words in Rig Veda: Om is 1028 times, Jan is 275 times, etc. 250 hymns are dedicated to Indra, while 200 are dedicated to Agni. The third mandala contains the Gayatri mantra by Vishwamitra, dedicated to Savitra, the solar deity, and offspring of the female Vedic deity Aditi. Battle of 10 Kings, Dasarajana, is mentioned in 7th mandala, fought near the Ravi river. It was won by Rustu Bharata, Puru King Sudas. Saraswati is the deity river in Rig Veda. Samaveda, derived from the root saman, that is melody. It is a collection of melodies. It has 1603 verses, but except 99, all the rest have been borrowed from Rig Veda. Yajurveda deals with the procedure for the performance of sacrifices. There are two main texts of Yajurveda: White Yajurveda or Shukla Yajurveda, and Black Yajurveda or Krishna Yajurveda. The former contains mantras and the latter has commentary in prose, has earliest reference of iron. Atharva Veda, entirely different from other three Vedas. Its first mention Ayurveda, divided into 20 kandas. Book and has 711 hymns, mostly dealing with magic along with personal problems of